Now, how you can get $1,000 daily affiliate commissions as a beginner in 2026. Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can have similar results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, promoting high ticket affiliate offers, and exactly how to apply it, okay, in action. So as you can see over here, here is one of my accounts where I'm promoting those high ticket offers. Again, I'm promoting products, not only high ticket, but products that have a strong back-end sales, meaning someone is going to buy $200 product, and behind that product is going to be $800 or $1,000 upsell. Okay, so you can make the most average order value has to offer. So as you can see over here, daily commissions. Now let me show you exactly in action how you can apply this in 2026 as a beginner. So as you can see over here, right? First of all, does this sound like you? If you're trying to make it happen with ClickBank affiliate marketing or other affiliate networks out there, right? But you still haven't been able to make at least 500 or 1,000 US dollar daily affiliate commissions. And if you see yourself as and other affiliates promoting different screenshots showing affiliate earnings, and you still haven't been able to make your first $1 online, okay? And if you have bought many different courses online on dropshipping, MLM, Shopify stores, TikTok shops, maybe you tried even ClickBank affiliate marketing and you have failed. Now again, it's not your fault, okay? Why? Because the truth in 2026 is that making $1,000 a sale affiliate commissions it's totally doable and it's possible. Why? Let me show you why. Because people are already buying such products, okay? They already want what we have to offer them. So as you can see over here, the name of the game is this, all right? Why some people are losing time and money on different coaching programs, mentorship, courses, and it's not your fault if this happened to you before, it's because you have been taught outdated methods that used to work years ago or even months ago. And the problem here is that you are targeting the wrong audiences. You see, you have curiosity clickers and you have buyers clicks. Now, if you want sales, you don't have to go viral. You need buyers clicks, okay? You need to have buyers intent, because attention without intention, it's zero sales. But once you have attention with buyer's intent, my friend, you have sales. It's simple as that. Simple and easy as that. Once you see the bigger picture and once you have someone step by step hand holding you one-on-one over the Zoom call to show exactly how this is done, okay? You can see over here, okay, people are spending money every day, hand over fist. Maybe not you, maybe your neighbors, myself, I know I'm spending tens of thousands of dollars a month for different things. Just for an example, right? You buy an online backyard sauna, right? It's easy, 15,000 US dollars. Okay, you have new sofa set for 8,000 US dollars, or maybe you have vacation for 5K, new kitchen, okay, new seminar. So all these things cost money, and people are spending money every single day. This is why in online internet marketing is the name of the game in 2026. Okay, now how this works in action. As you can see, let's say you begin with 25 US dollars, and I suggest to promote products on ClickBank that are paying minimum 250 US dollars per sale. And once that sale happens, there is the upsell on the back end, and you can earn $1,000 plus, even in some cases 2,000 US dollars per sale affiliate commissions as a beginner in 2026. Okay, we started with slow ad spend, and then we increase as we get the results. Okay, so as you can see over here, the real problem is that you don't have a proven system to follow. You don't have a guidance. You don't have a leadership. In 2026, all you have to do is connect with someone who can actually help you one-on-one. I mean, ask yourself, when was the last time you bought some course and then you didn't have personal relationship with someone? WhatsApp call, human call, not AI chatbot, email, messaging support, or whatever across the globe. No, I'm talking about personal WhatsApp call, Zoom call. When you had someone to actually help you one-on-one, step by step, I guess never, right? So this is the name of the game. Having someone that can give you this itch to fast forward yourself in 2026, okay? You can see, right? Because if you can identify a problem, you can immediately fix it. Simple as that, okay? Now you can see what we get done together, one-on-one, over the Zoom call with my student. She's from Spain. English is her second language, okay? You can see over here, we are working together over the Zoom. Again, another one, right? So we are working together one-on-one. Now, I have been traveling to over 69 countries thanks to being super affiliate, thanks to promoting affiliate offers. Okay, you can check me out on Instagram, you can check me on my Facebook Messenger, my WhatsApp. Okay, not to brag, not to boast, but to show you what life is possible once you take action. Because for me, family, kids, vacation, this is freedom to me, offering them better life in 2026. Okay, maybe you have family, maybe you have parents, grandparents, I don't know, kids, children, brother, sister, I don't know, siblings, and you want to take care of them. Yes, this can allow you to allow them better life, especially right now. Okay, in 2026, and people are after COVID online more than ever. You can go on train, subway. You see people are on their phones, smartphones, TikTok, YouTube, uh, Instagram, Facebook, Google, right? People go on Google to search for solutions to their pains and problems. And once they see your Google ad, they go on your website or quiz funnel, and they come and buy a high ticket product. And you, my friend, you get paid $1,000 or $500 affiliate commissions from ClickBank or other affiliate networks. So as you watch this video, if you are serious, if you are someone who is action taker, okay, if you're a serious person, action taker, you have at least 30 minutes a day. You can live in India, you can be in Dubai, you can be in Australia, US, doesn't matter, Europe. What matters is that you can invest in yourself, get results, okay, and be willing to get results and be up and running. So as you watch this video, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my email, my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number, and also email and Facebook Messenger. You can connect with me one-on-one, and let's make something happen.